It's Make, Bake and Decorate month at Spotlight, so I thought I would share my top tips for making the perfect party cake at home. When it comes to icing the perfect cake, there are a few essential tools that we'll need. The first is a turntable so we can access all of the sides, a scraper so we can get to them really smoothly, plus a cake board that's nice and thick to go on top. We'll line this cake scraper up with that, and a spatula to apply our buttercream. I recommend using a Swiss meringue buttercream to decorate cakes. To make it extra bright, I use a Wilton white icing gel. Using a clear cake scraper with a beveled edge is going to help you get those beautiful, perfect smooth buttercream sides. Working and tempering chocolate can be a little bit difficult, so I suggest using candy melts to make some super fun chocolate decorations. Working with candy melts can be a bit of a messy sport, so I recommend using silicone brushes because they are so much easier to wash. Once we are ready to assemble and decorate our cake, we want to pop our turntable into the lock position so we can work on it stationary. Painting with buttercream is a really beautiful way to give your cakes a bit of an artistic flair. I really like to use artist palette knives because I think it gives the cake an oil painting-like texture. Now, if you are a little bit nervous to paint directly onto your cake, don't panic, you can practice by popping it onto a sheet of baking paper first, having a little go at painting flowers or any abstract shapes, and then when you're done, you can just scrape it off. Working on a super cold cake is so much easier when you're painting with buttercream. Using a paintbrush dipped in some soft buttercream is a really stunning way to add in some extra texture. Edible silver and gold leaf are a really nice way to add a bit of a luxurious touch to your treats. You want to make sure that you're using a booklet that has transfer sheets so that each one pulls out individually. Now it's time to start assembling all the elements of your masterpiece. Nothing is truly complete without a final touch of sprinkles. Now that our cake is complete and looking rather marvellous, if I do say so myself, I think I'll give this one as a gift. So I'll show you my favourite way to wrap something up to make it totally spectacular. At Spotlight, it is what you make it, so I've decided to use this stunning silk fabric as my gift wrap. I do so hope you've enjoyed these tips, and I really look forward to seeing what you make, bake and decorate. And I better find someone to give this to.